So back with another video, finally, because I've been away for a long time. But as you can see, I'm in a new room, which is my new studio, in fact. Now you may be wondering why I've been posting for months. It's because I've been moving house, obviously, and I've been setting up my new studio and my new room. I'll give you a little tour actually. Look around here, walk-in closet, door. I'm gonna replace that door anyway, and then new person and all that stuff. And it's just been my birthday on the 26th of February, so I got this thing as well, which is supposed to change my YouTube channel quite a lot. So what I'm going to do is rest this camera here. Hold on. Yeah, there you go. Rest this camera here. Then get my thing I was talking about. Right here. Probably don't know what it is, but you'll soon see. And I'm going to be using this for every time when I make a YouTube video, recording on that camera. Right here. Here you go. So, you may be wondering, what is this? And I'll be answering, well, you'll see. Because this is going to seriously change my YouTube channel. Let's just move this back a little bit. Ready? Just open this. You probably guessed it already. Yes, a green screen. How cool is that? Right. So what I'm going to be doing is basically just so that's where I'm going to be recording. Right here. So then I'm gonna I'm obviously gonna be sitting there with the green screen behind me. So that is going to be quite cool. So you don't have to see my ugly looking room so far, which will get better. But for now I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna probably use it all the time now. So if I just wanna make it go down, just push it down. Right. Sometimes I don't know whether it closes properly or not. No, it hasn't. So. It should do. Hold on. Give me a minute, guys. Totally not gonna take long. There you go. Let's deploy it again. No, let's not deploy it again. Hold on, give me a second, guys. Yeah? Did you check your emails? Yeah, I did. Did you get anything? Trish, and all that saying happy birthday to me. So there's lots of things going on because I'm going to Cornwall today. So let's just put this away quickly. So as you can see, guys, even though it's huge, even though it's really long and heavy, it's still quite compact. Sorry. It must be boring for you guys to watch. There you go. So that's basically it's just like a room tour video and some changes to my YouTube channel, just to say, for my apologies for not uploading for a while, but I'm still not going to be uploading for quite a bit. It's just like an update video. Mainly it's because I need to get set up more, on my room. And then once I start recording, I'm going to try to keep that process up. Recording quite a bit. So, yeah, thank you for watching this video, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video of my channel. Adios, amigos.